Today we are sparking a new tutorial called how to create a brand new YouTube channel from the scratch. We are going to give you step-by-step details from the scratch to the pro level of how to build a standard channel without hassles. Even if you have not been to YouTube before, no problems. From creating account to pro channel settings and customizations. In the end, I'm going to show you that there is this one person out there waiting to see the way you laugh, the way you teach, the way you tell your stories. If you never start, they may not find out unique hope and joy your channel could give them. And that's the more reason why you've got to start with me right now. And let me remind you, YouTube does not care about your degree, your bank account, or your location. If you've got a phone, Wi-Fi, and determination, you've got the same shot as the biggest YouTubers. Welcome back, Catalyst. If you find this video useful, please catalyze the subscription button now, like and share. Yeah, enough of the flops, back to business. We want to believe you don't have a Gmail account. We're going to start from creating a Gmail account through to the last step. Yeah, YouTube is owned by Google and you need a Gmail account. Just pick up your phone and create a brand new Gmail account. So now you're with your phone, go to Gmail, click at the top right hand corner, go down to add another account, even if you already have one. So we're making a brand new email because YouTube channel is like our own business. So you need a brand new Gmail for it. Click Google, click create account, go to my work or my business, then enter your first name and last name, set your birthday and gender, choose your unique email address, and add your password. Yeah, this password is your 100% business, so you must make it highly secure. Don't choose a password you may not be able to remember. Then after that, cross-check before you click next. Then scroll down to agree to Google terms. Boom, your brand new account is ready. Then come over to YouTube. If you are using a browser profile like I am, because I'm on the system, I'm on the Chrome, so I'm using a browser, not phone. You can as well still do other things on phone, all right? But I am on a Chrome browser, but it's almost the same thing as if you're running from the mobile app. Open your browser, at the right hand side, click the profile icon, choose create a channel. If someone already has your handle, he's not going to accept it. Then you may need to choose another one. But don't worry, both the handles and the name can always be changed later. So whatever thing that you do at this first time, so it's not an issue. You need a profile picture that's going to show as a circle like this everywhere on YouTube. So make sure it is clear and recognizable. Then click create channel. Boom, you are now the brand new YouTuber. Your first shot is made. Yeah, as we're rolling. In my class, nobody's a pro. So don't hesitate to pump in all the questions, all the challenges. I'm going to respond to all your questions one after the other. Imagine yourself in 3 years to come. It's either you thank yourself for starting now or you blame yourself for not starting at all out of fear and hesitation. Yeah, we'll move on to the next step. You need to verify your channel in order to qualify for uploading longer videos, and test thumbnails, live streaming, uploading multiple times per day, and being qualified for monetization. You must verify your channel first. So you need to go to YouTube Studio. All right, go to YouTube Studio, then to settings, to channel, under basic info, choose country of residence, then go over to future eligibility and to the middle, intermediate future, then click verify by phone number. Yeah, you need to fix your phone number here. Google will send you a 6-digit code as SMS. Enter the code here. Boom, and you have unlocked this as an essential step for you to be eligible for custom thumbnails, live streaming, posting longer videos. Then come down to advanced features, live selfie video or ID card verification. This is essential so you can add external links in video descriptions, create more live streams daily, post more shorts daily, test and compare different thumbnails, then be eligible to apply for monetization. Okay, click access, click the one you want. Either you choose the live video or snap your ID. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do 6 seconds live video. I click get email and the link sent to my phone. Just click the link and follow the on-screen instructions to verify. Upload defaults and settings. Yeah, still in the settings, go to upload defaults. Invisibility, set to unlisted. Never straight to public. You will want time to add your title, description, and thumbnail first. You need to allow YouTube algorithm time to read through and understand your video before making it public. Yeah, in this particular setting, your upload default must always be on unlisted. This unlisted gives you avenue to check your video before making it public, so that video that is not designed to see the light of the day wouldn't just mistakenly go into the public. Yeah, There are so many mistakes you could actually make, but by the time your video is uploaded, you'll be able to go and play back your video and you'll see those mistakes. And you quickly correct them before making it public. Yeah, in comments, choose moderation level. But if you expect trolls, depending on the kind of video you make, so you can send it to strict, most of the comments will be filtered. But generally, and for me, basic works fine. In audience, mark whether your channel is made for kids or not. This is required by YouTube law. Set this once here so you don't have to be doing it over and over again in every video each time you upload. Set your channel SEO and discoverability. Yeah, it's important to note here, algorithm is not a human being. You are dealing with a computer program. It doesn't know emotion, it doesn't look at your face. So how does it identify your channel? It identifies your channel through the tags and the hashtags. So therefore, all the tags and hashtags that is associated or related to your channel should be added. This tells algorithm what your channel is all about and also helps the viewers to discover your channel through search or through recommendation. So how do you do that? Yeah, open ChatGPT and type these prompts I'm giving you here. Just follow these steps exactly the way I'm doing it. Use these materials I am providing you from YouTube competitor channels to generate my own channel description, hashtags, and tags for my brand new channel. Name your channel. I'm just using my own channel here. Bafty the creator. Put your own channel's name because ChatGPT is also going to create a hashtag for that your channel. Then having done that, then go back to YouTube and find your competitors. How do you find your competitors? What is your niche? Type your niche name or viral topics in your niche. Then you're going to see all the channels that make videos on that niche. Copy their own channel descriptions, copy their own channel details, copy their own channel tags, and copy their hashtags too. Put all of them back in ChatGPT. Copy as much as you can. Like for me, I copy up to 10 channels. So you can copy as much as 10 channels or even more channels. Then having copied them, ChatGPT will then go through them and create yours. And don't get it twisted here. The channel niche and details must be unique. Don't go and pick one channel talking about comedy and you're bringing another channel talking about education. Don't go get it mixed so you will not confuse algorithm. Because the biggest mistake you're going to make in YouTube is confuse algorithm and it's going to stop recommending your video. And you know, once algorithm stops recommending your video, automatically you're going to have low visibility. Low visibility equals low views and low views equals slow or dead growth. So you must remain consistent in that your niche and keep doing things that are related to that niche. So the algorithm will over time master that channel and then create an audience for it. Then branding, upload a banner. You need to upload a banner here. Yes, make a YouTube banner and upload it like the way I'm doing here. If you don't know how to make a banner, I think I have a tutorial about that already. So you need to go and watch that tutorial on how to make YouTube banner. The banner is very much important. It's just like a billboard. And after that, then back to layout. Yes, once you upload videos, you can customize how they appear on your channel homepage. Remember, your branding should be very catchy, making viewers think, wow, I love this channel. This channel is just meant for me. Security and monetization. Yeah, here you need to turn on two-factor authentication for extra account protection. You need this plan if you must have to monetize. So in the end tab, you can track your progress towards monetization here. The requirements are 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours for long videos or 10 million short views for shorts. Also, there's a new lower tier of monetization with fewer requirements. But this one doesn't really unlock ad revenue, your first upload. Now you're ready for the most important part, making videos. Before you make a video, ask yourself, who should watch this video and why? Learn how to tap into the curiosity of people, the emotions of people. Whenever people ask how, they want to know how. Whenever people say why, they want to know why. Make your viewers feel emotional in your stories, on your teaching, on your lectures. After making a video, titles and thumbnails are the end thing. There's what we call CTR, click-through rate. When nobody has watched your video, titles and thumbnails are the packaging. So if you do not know how to do strong titles and strong thumbnails, nobody is going to watch your video, even if the video is the best. So you need highly and attractive titles and thumbnails. And having said that, you must not wait too until you become a professional before you start. Just start, because every creator could always look back and see some of the cringe videos they uploaded. Even Mr. Beast remembered some of the cringe videos he made at the beginning. If you don't have a camera, if you don't have a good mic, that's not a problem. You can start with stock videos. There are so many stock websites there where you can get very beautiful stock videos, like Pixels and Pixabay. Create a script, use the stock videos to interpret it. Yeah, in YouTube Studio, check the audio library for free music and sound effects. These are safe to use without copyright issues. Copyright music or sound effects are not allowed on YouTube. because you can't monetize them. You can start your YouTube journey now with just your phone and Wi-Fi. In the next 1 year, you're going to look back at where you're coming from and you're going to smile at where you've gotten to. Befty the creator here. You are the catalyst. Catalyze the subscription and the share button.